How to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now navigate to the menu page. Click on the settings icon given at the top right. Here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Account Center. From this option, navigate to the option Personal Details. Now click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook username. Now select the option Deactivate Account. It is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. Click Continue. Now provide your password. Now here you'll need to provide the reason why do you want to deactivate your account. Select any of it and click on Continue. Now click on this drop down and select the days. I'm gonna set it to Dawn Reactivate automatically. Click Continue. Click on Deactivate my account, and just with that you have deactivated your Facebook account. So this way you can easily deactivate Facebook account temporarily. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.